Every Oxford Insight course is customizable for your classroom's needs. Should you desire to hide or remove any content from the course, the following process will allow you to do so. First, log in to Oxford Insight and click on the course you wish to edit. Next, switch to authoring mode. Click on Content and Course Home for an overview of all course content. To hide a chapter without removing it, toggle on Draft. All hidden content appears grayed out in authoring mode and instructor view but is completely hidden from your students. You can also choose to completely remove a chapter by selecting the Remove option and clicking Yes to confirm. Use the same toggles within chapters to remove or hide individual content pieces. All removed content can be added back to the course later. To rename a chapter or content item, click the chapter title field and edit the title in the way you would like for it to be shown to your students. Then, be sure to click the green checkbox to save your new edits. You can also reorder chapters and chapter content by clicking Reorder, then dragging and dropping the chapter into your desired location using the 3 lines on the right. For more information or help, including on how to re-add hidden content, please visit the Oxford Insight knowledge base.